Hi guys, so welcome back to another Mr. Fix-It video. Today I'm going to show you how to get your headlights from looking all hazy and yellow and burnt to looking like new again without using any sandpaper, no buffing, no polishing machine, none of that nonsense, or any of the re-clearing kit. So all you need to get the job done, number one, get you some purple power. It's a degreaser. You can get it in a little spray bottle, so I get the big jug from Walmart because I use it a lot. So need that, and then what you need is some of this right here, the Maguire ultimate compound. This thing does miracles. Actually, you can even use it without treating the haze and it'll still work, but I'm gonna show you the best way of using it, using the degreaser first and then hitting it with this thing right here, and it'll look like new again. So let's get to it. So first things first, I'm gonna spray it down with the degreaser. I got it filled up in a little ortho pest control bottle because it's just convenient for the sprayer. But basically what you want to do is you want to spray down the headlight, and this is what this is going to do, is basically it's going to dissolve all this baked layer of plastic, and you'll see it as soon as I start spraying it. But actually, let me show you the headlight up close first, see how bad this thing is. So it's terrible. So this is pretty much as bad as it gets. So we'll go ahead and spray it, and you'll see right away this stuff will start eating. You can see how it's starting to run. All the yellow stuff is starting to run right off. And try not to get this stuff in your eyes when you're spraying it. Right now it's kind of windy outside. So you can see already it cleared up most of that yellowish look that we had on there. So this stuff works great. Use it on wheels, tires, engine, base, degreasing them, so they're pretty good. But yeah, basically spray the headlight down, do a couple more sprays. If you want to, you can actually come with a rag, wipe it down, and then spray it again. But it's not really necessary, so this is all it takes. We just spraying it, leaving it for a few seconds. What we're going to do now is just rinse it off with water. Alright, so I'm going to use some compressed air to dry it off real quick, and then we'll hit it with the compound. Alright, so yeah, it's going to look worse before it looks better. And this bike just fell on me. So don't worry about it. Once we hit it with the compound, you'll see. So you want to get a nice clean terracotta towel to use. Microfiber is not going to work as good because it's just way too soft. So you want something that's a little more, I don't want to say harsh, but something that's not as soft as a microfiber when you're trying to hit it with the compound. So here we go. Let me shake it. And do one section at a time. Don't try to do the whole headlight because this thing kind of dries real quick and you need to wipe it like right off. Turn to a clean side. Wipe it. And you can see it's already starting to look a whole lot better. So I'm going to do the whole headlight probably in 3 sections, and then we're going to hit it probably 1 or 2 more times to get it looking like new again. And I'm not applying any real pressure. It's just basically kind of buffing it by hand, but not really pressing on it hard or anything. So and I'm sure you can use a buffer if you like, but I'm just trying to show you that you don't need to have one to get the job done, so you can do it really by hand. You can see this is one coat, and you can see the difference that it's made already. So go ahead and hit it a couple more times. So probably 3 coats is what it looks like it's going to take for this headlight to look pretty much like new again, because this one was really bad. But in most cases you'll be good probably with just 2 coats, or maybe even a single coat really. And like I said, if your headlights is not that bad, you don't even need to do the degreaser. You can just use that compound. Just clean your headlight, wipe it down with a damp rag, clean off any splash bugs or anything on the lens. Just go ahead and apply this stuff, and it works real good. Actually, Maguiars, they got the plastic X or whatever, that's made for these headlights to restore the headlights, and I found out that their compound actually works better than that plastic X stuff that's made for headlights, surprisingly. So there you go, that's 2 coats in, and it's already looking like 100% better. But I'm going to hit it one last time, give one more coat, and always turn to a new side on the rag, or in your towel, whatever, your applicator. Yep, looks like 3 coats is gonna be what it takes for this one. Alright, final wipe down. And there we have it, guys. Headlight looking like new again. So that was off a 2005 A8. I'll give you a close-up. So that's how she looks like now. There is some cracking in the lens, but you're not going to be able to correct that. That's just the actual plastic. But as far as the lens, yeah, I mean, definitely is a huge difference. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. Finished product. No wet sand, no buffing, all done by hand in like what, a matter of 10 minutes or so. So yeah, if you want to save yourself some money on buying other useless stuff, well, not exactly useless, but it's just going to take you more time to do it, this is the fastest, easiest way to get your headlights looking like new again. If you do like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and check out my other videos. Come back for more. There'll be a lot more coming to the channel. Stay safe and be blessed. I'll see you soon.